Good morning, everyone. So today I'll be discussing about the most revolutionary and innovative technology in the new world, which is blockchain technology, which is a distributed database that is shared among the nodes of a computer network. So, as a database, a blockchain stores information electronically in a digital format. It is best known for their crucial role in the cryptocurrency systems such as Bitcoin that we all know that maintain a secure and decentralized record of transaction. And by decentralization we mean the minimal use of middlemen for more control. Then the innovation with the blockchain is that it guarantees the trust and security of a record of data without the need for a trusted third party. Now, moving on to the fundamentals of blockchain. Blockchain has two basic fundamentals: a public distributed ledgers and an encryption. So, as we all know, encryption means it eliminates unauthorized access by using the cryptographic algorithm to ensure the blocks are kept secure. Then, as I mentioned, public distributed ledger, it is a database that is shared among the users of the blockchain network, and the transactions are accessed and verified by users associated with the Bitcoin network, thereby making it less prone to cyber attack and several other fraudulences. Then proof of work, it is a method to validate transactions in a blockchain network by solving a complex mathematical puzzle called mining. So mining, when miners use their resources like time, money, electricity, etc. to validate a new transaction and record them on the public ledger, they are given a reward. That reward could be bitcoins and several other benefits. Then there are four types of blockchain technology: public, private, consortium, and hybrid. Public is open to everyone, and they do not have any decentralization, and are not as decentralized as public, and only selected nodes can participate in the process, that make it more secure. Then consortium blockchain is a creative approach that solves the need of an organization. So this blockchain basically validates the transaction and also initiates or receives the transaction. And consortium blockchain is also known as federated blockchain. Then we have a hybrid blockchain, which is a combination or a mixed content of both public and private blockchain. Then why blockchain is important? As I already mentioned, it is a revolutionary and promising technology because it basically reduces the security risk, it reduces the frauds, and it brings transparency in a scalable way. Then since 2010, the blockchain technology has evolved to become a management solution for all types of global industries. Today, you can find blockchain technology providing transparency for the food supply chain, securing healthcare data, innovating gaming, and overall changing how we handle data and ownership on a large scale. Now, how does blockchain work? The goal of blockchain is to allow digital information to be recorded and distributed, but not edited or removed. In this way, a blockchain is the foundation for immutable ledgers or records of transaction that cannot be altered, deleted, or destroyed. So this is why blockchains are known as DLT, distributed ledger technology. Then moving on to the transaction process in blockchain. So this is the flow chart of how a blockchain works, a transaction in a blockchain works. First, for example, a person named A, he wants to send money to B. So the transaction is represented online as a block, and then this block is broadcast to every part in the network so that this information has been shared. Now those in the network will approve the transaction is valid after thorough verification from their side, and then the block will be added to the chain, which I already mentioned. Blockchain is basically a chain of blocks which provides an indelible and a transparent record of transaction. Now what happens is the money after all these security process will move from A to B. So, decentralization, I have already mentioned in private blockchain technology, what secure the private blockchain technology is its decentralization process. So, it alludes to the transfer of supervision and decision making from a centralized association to a dispersed network. So, this decentralization networkers endeavor to decrease the degree of trust that members should put in each other, and that dissuade their capacity to put forth authority or command over each other in manners that corrupt like the potency of the network. Now, why is decentralization important? So, when assembling a technology agreement, three essential network structures are commonly thought of: centralized, decentralized, and disseminated. So, since blockchain technology frequently uses decentralized network, a blockchain application itself simply can be sorted as being decentralized or not. Then decentralization typically also has a few set of, for example, lower exchanger, but such setups are worth it in comparison to the improved security and services they are providing in the healthcare sector, supply chain management, and several other industries. So these are some basic applications of blockchain. As I already mentioned, digital IDs, Bitcoin, in IoT, real estate, banking, etc., etc. And for money transfers, financial exchanges, lending, insurance, secure personal information, voting, healthcare, real estate, where all the information are being recorded in a way that it cannot be deleted in the future. Now, history of blockchain technology, as you can see, the concept was like introduced in 1990, and then the deployment of cryptocurrency has happened in 2011-12, where this blockchain technology has become more prevalent in the industry, and then it has been innovated to currency and digital payments, and then it has emerged in various applications. Now, now, what is Bitcoin versus blockchain? So many of us have a doubt regarding whether Bitcoin and blockchain are same, or blockchain is a subset of Bitcoin, etc., etc. So Bitcoin blockchain technology was outlined in 1990, and this Bitcoin protocol is then built on a blockchain. So we can say Bitcoin is a subset of blockchain. Then so it is one of the fewer applications of blockchain technology. Now, advantages: it is open, like it is accessible to all means, and anyone can become a participant in the contribution. Then verifiable, it is used to store information in a decentralized manner, so everyone can verify the correctness. Then permanent, as I mentioned, the records cannot be deleted or edited in the future. Then tighter security, it ensures more transparency. Then efficiency, it removes any third party intervention between transactions. Then cost reduction, it since it does not need a third man, it reduces the cost for the businesses, and gives trust. Now, disadvantages, as I have already mentioned, there are several setbacks, which is one of it is low for lower exchange. Then scalability, which is the biggest drawback of blockchain technology, as it cannot be scaled because of the fixed size of block. Now, energy consuming and time consuming, as I mentioned, lower exchange will be happening per time, and legal formalities are there, and because it is banned in some countries due to environmental issues, and storage issues are there. Now, so Bitcoin is the first successful implementation of blockchain. Today, the world has found several applications of blockchain technology in several industries where the trust without the involvement of a centralized authority is desired. So, welcome to the world of blockchain. It is only going to grow in the field of business, finance, law, medicine, and real estate. Whether you are an experienced blockchain developer or you are aspiring to break into this exciting industry, the blockchain program will help individuals with all levels to become an expert in blockchain technology. So that's all from my side. If you have any doubts, kindly let me know. Thank you.